For the evaluate part, there's nothing special here. I just assign the formula to the variables and return these variables. And SGD, for SGD part, I created two empty lists, and one is training performance list. This is for training performance results of all epochs, and test performance list. This is for test performance results of all epochs, and we go into the loop. First, we evaluate the training data and assign the result to the list, and append the list to the training performance list, and print the result. And if test data exists, and do the same thing. And if the test data does not exist, the test performance list will remain empty. And if the accuracy is larger or equal to the turn percent, we will break the loop. And finally, we will assign training performance list and testing performance list to the all performance list and return the list. And for the backprop, first I create a list for all the layers, and they are the NumPy arrays with zeros. Their second dimension is 1, and their first dimension is corresponding to the element in the sizes. And then I assign x, which is input vectors, to the first element in activation, and assign 0 to I, and we go into this loop. So this becomes x, which is input vectors. And here we will assign the sigmoid activation to the second layer. So this is I plus 1 and I plus 1. So when we go into the next loop, and this activations I becomes the previous activation I plus 1, so that we can calculate all the layers. Here we can see the application code. Let me restart the kernel and run. This is the requirement for the backprop. Let me just delete it, comment it out. Let's do the other part. Oh, let me restart the kernel. Okay. Here we go. This empty list looks good, and looks good. So I guess that's it.